Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abi Jacobs, and on today's update video I want to show you guys another type of airdrop that you guys can farm by making use of your browser. But before I get into this update video, I want you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, so anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities and airdrop update, you guys will always be the first to know. Now, if you have been following my channel recently, you'll realize that I've been dropping videos over and over about airdrops, and I've been dropping the ones where you have to download extension and farm points on your phone. Now, this type of airdrops are very simple. All you have to do is click the link in the description box, register, download extension, and keep browsing, and in the process you'll be farming points that will later be converted into tokens at TGE. Blockmesh network is an open source secure network for ethical AI oversight. Now, the basis of all this node mining that we have been doing all this while is that they are all AI related, in which they are collecting our data, but instead of selling off our data to huge companies or government agencies, instead our data is being collected and monetized for our own use. So which means that all your data you've collected at the end of the mining phase will all be converted into tokens, which can be sold at exchanges upon TGE. Now I'm going to keep this video short. I'm just going to show you guys how you can start mining this particular project and get started on it today. So here we are, guys. This is the dashboard for Blockmesh. Now, it's the same process as always. If you've been watching all my videos about node mining, please note this is a free airdrop, and right now it is still a potential project because they have not confirmed yet that they are going to airdrop for us. But I don't want you guys to be disappointed, because projects like that, even though they tend to be potential projects, later on eventually they will decide to give their users a reward as airdrop. Now, the link, like I said, will be in the description box. So if you are interested in farming this airdrop, all you have to do as you are watching this video is to go to the description box, click on the link, register, copy the referral code, paste it there, and then you download the extension. Now, this is my own dashboard, and as you guys can see right now, I'm connected. I have an uptime of over 1 million now, and I've done over 405 tasks, and my points are 30,000 points. Now, it's a simple process. All you have to do is register, then you go to your browser. Now, once you get to your browser, all you have to do is that you look for Blockmesh extension, then you select Blockmesh network Chrome Web Store. Now, after you've clicked at Chrome Web Store, you are going to have it like this. So all you have to do is just come here and you press add to Chrome. Though right now it's showing remove from Chrome because I've already added mine. So if you are just doing this for the first time, you click on add to Chrome, and then you press on this puzzle icon. Then you will go through it. You will see Blockmesh added to your extension once it has been downloaded. So once you open the extension, you are going to see the dashboard looking like this. It shows that the extension is working and is reading your data input, and later on, after the whole scenario, we will be giving tokens. So that's for the extension. So once you go back to the dashboard, you need to come to the side, you flip or you scroll to the side. Now you see what says click to resend verification email. So they are going to send an email to you, and you are going to click on that link to get verified as well. So that is all for this particular airdrop process. It is the same as always. All you have to do is register, put in the referral code, and then you download the extension, and you keep using your browser more often. Like I've always said, you can always use Kiwi browser or you use Mrs. browser. So that is it for this video, guys. I would like you guys to please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop any crypto trading opportunities or airdrop updates, you guys will always be the first to know. Thanks.